Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Make a great choice today with the 2022 ILX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light, trip odometer, compass.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.